Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mums Ate, a YouTuber and a professional makeup artist based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. Today's video, I will be creating a classic timeless makeup look and makeup transformation for my beautiful client turned 40 years. When I got a call from her, like she booked for a second section, I was very surprised because she told me during her bookings that for her 40th birthday, she will be wearing 40 different outfits. And I was like, are you serious? Like 40 different outfits for your 40th birthday? That's nice. That's awesome. I wish I could have the energy that you have. But you know what? I admire her energy and she was looking all beautiful. We actually did some shoots earlier on and she booked different makeup artists for the 40 different outfits. And I was so happy and so grateful when she called me again to rebook because according to her, each makeup artist were to just make her up for three different outfits. So each makeup artist for three different outfits. So when she called me to rebook a second section, so out of the 40 outfits, I'll be making her up for six outfits. I was really glad. I was very happy. And in fact, I was so excited that she came back because as makeup artists, there's nothing that gives us joy than a client coming back for more, a client that cannot just let go of our makeup section. See, those of you that are makeup artists, you understand what I'm talking about. Like each time you make up a client, I don't know if this is what some of you go through, but for me, each time I'm making up a client, sometimes I have this inner fear. Like I do pray that God should make the client to love what I am doing, and God should make the client to just come back for more, and God should please clean and hide my mistake, that the client will not end up screaming at me or feeling embarrassed or feeling sad that she came booking me. So while I do my makeup section, within me, I always pray that God, please, any mistake that will make this client to not come back, Holy Spirit of God, I beg, cover the mistake. Make it be saying only me, they see the mistake. Make another person not they see the mistake. So when she called me for a second section, I was really happy because trust me, that's what I always look forward for my clients. And I just want to use this medium to say for every of my clients that keep booking and rebooking me, see, you guys have a special place in my heart. And I always pray to God to provide you with more money to keep coming back to me. Okay. I love you. So guys, just follow through this process and trust me, you're going to enjoy this video. It was a nice section. I started off with cleaning her face and then applying on my skin prep. And then always remember that for you to proceed to the next stage, after you applied your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your primer, each of these applications should dry before you move to the next step. Okay, so now this is contouring and highlighting, and then I actually use Mirac setting powder to set her face. And then I received a couple of PR products from Lavender Cosmetics on Instagram. So I use their powder palette for contour and highlight. And I can say that I am really happy that Nigerian browns are getting better. For Beauty Blender, this is the White Glam Beauty Sponge. And for blush, I applied Blossom eyeshadow on top of our blush. Yes. So please, if you do not have all the color of blush that you want, what you can do is apply your eyeshadow as your blush, but just go light-handed. And then for brows, I use the one and only Davis brow pencil. This pencil is so affordable. One of the cheapest pencil you can ever find in the market, and very, very reliable, trust me. So I just created the light stroke, and when she came to the studio, that she wanted a second section of a birthday shoot because we did the first section, and I think by now that video should be up already. And this is the second section. When she came, looking like a bride, so beautiful. So therefore, I'm going to create a classic, timeless nude makeup look for you. Okay. So, and I think, I don't know, please let me know in the comment section. Do you like this concealer that I use in highlights? Like for a while now, I stopped using too much bright concealer under the brows. I just use a natural skin tone concealer and then just add a powder on top of the concealer for a natural effect. And then again, I applied a darker brow gel to outline the brows because I noticed that whenever I use a pencil to draw my brows, after a while, I notice that the lines do fade off. Yes. So I usually go back with a gel liner to just properly outline the brows. Can you spot the difference? If you do, please let me know down on the comment section. And by the way, if you're stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about my videos. Let me know what kind of look you want me to create for you, okay? And I'll be willing and ready to do that, okay? So I went in with my eyeshadow primer, and then after applying my eyeshadow primer, I'm applying my eyeshadow. And eyeshadow, I use the Silver Milk eyeshadow palettes. Yes, on this look. And for brush, this is the Vika Bell brush. In recent time, I'm beginning to fall in love with Nigerian browns. Seriously, like they are doing their work. They are seriously putting effort into making sure that we get to buy their products. And I'm proud, I'm proud, I'm proud. I'm proud. Like you guys are doing well, okay? So I just use a fluffy blush to apply the eyeshadow and tap that gently, and then I went in with a darker color of eyeshadow, I think a dark brown black, out the outer corner of the eyes. This actually helped to uplift the eyes. You can try this trick. I think you will like it. You will love it, you know. So on this part, I did not apply a black gel liner. I just used a dark eyeshadow to outline the outer corner of the eyes and the top lid. And then I went in with this pencil from the Polar Beauty to outline a waterliner. And then I went in with a lip stain. I used the Beauty by Jones lip stain in the shade Mamus, my name. So I used it to outline her lip, and yeah, Beauty by Jones. Yes, these browns have a special place in my heart. I love brands that do their research before producing products, and this brand is one of that. It is blendable, it is affordable, it is pigmented, it is beautiful. Not because it bears my name, no, not because this particular shade is called Mamos, no, but it's because it is worth value for money. Okay, so please do well to check their Instagram handle, Beauty by Jones. And then I went in with a gel liner, the Zaron gel liner. Okay, and then I fixed the lashes off camera. By now, you know I usually fix lashes with my hands. See how beautiful her eyes are looking. And then I went back to the Beauty by Jones colorless lip gloss for that extra shine. See, forget, baby girl was looking like a bag of money by the time we were done. Like, and this was one of those sections I actually enjoyed with gist. We talk about different things. We talk about business. She's the CEO of Mimi's Place. If you are looking for a place to have a good spa, if you are looking for a good massage, if you are looking for a features, if you are looking for everything about body, she got you covered. Okay, so I needed to make her look like a queen, and then of course I went in with my baby, my recent obsession, the So Pro Setting Finishing Spray. Man, this thing they do magic, forget. Any person that you say you know they do magic, block the person. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye, guys.